Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Encok headphones from Baseus. As you know guys, I reviewed some of the Baseus gadgets like a USB, like I think a charger or something like that back in the days, but I thought that I should just grab this bad boy since it inspired me throughout different aspects. As you can see, this is what we have today. This is such a sweet and amazing thing from Baseus, what they created, and what they stated is just that it's a comfortable to wear, and that's what it captured me on the picture. And it's a high fidelity sound, so it's a budget headphones, but it's a high fidelity sound. Another kind of stuff, it's a long endurance battery. Now you get some long battery out of this bad boy, almost like 8 hours of music, almost like 4,000, I think 4,000 standby time somehow there. I'll just read it for you so as we can be clear. Another kind of stuff, it's a wireless and wired headphone, so don't worry about that. Worrying about it's wireless and worrying about it's not wired, because sometimes this bad boy might not be having juice, so you might be using normal wired to get that kind of good music. As always, you must have this knife to just unbox it. Don't use it for anything else. So just wrap it around there. I'm just pumped to see something which is so incredible out of Baseus. I hope there's nothing else there. Seeing how they pack them, I'll be Hulk now. That was tough. That was like climbing a mountain. Talking about the mountain, well, wait about the vlog will be coming out about me biking on the mountain with my friends. Yeah, so you can see guys how packaged it is. It's so packaged, it's so nice, I like it. Another kind of stuff, it's ooh la la, there it is, the bad boy. It's actually pumped with the red and black. You know guys, I love the red and black. It's not about MKBHD, it's about Abdurrahim 113. Another kind of stuff which I like about them, it's wow, this is so amazing. It's feel premium in here. It feels Baseus. I hope it glows. Somehow it glows. And yeah, this is so cool. Let me just keep it here. Now jumping out the box, still we have packed in with another kind of stuff conditioning. It's called this kind of package. Slowly, boom, we're getting another kind of stuff which you usually like it, sometimes you hate it, but this is paperwork plus warranty. That's what they stated. The paperwork is written in Chinese. I can't read Chinese that much. Micro USB normal charging. You get an aux, double aux. No, this is actually, this is not aux actually. This is a headphone jack to micro USB, which is bananas, I think. It's a new technology for nowadays, 2019. The headphone seems to be great as you can see guys. It's just that the buttons are slightly arranged this way. They're a little bit clicky, and this is the power button. Oh, it glows. I told you guys, it glows. It glows. Another kind of stuff, it's glowing because of the pairing of the headphones. You have to pair them with the Bluetooth. Another kind of stuff is the normal micro USB charging and micro head, and it's a microphone. It's a microphone here. Outside they indicate different colors. As you can see, there's a red one, there's gold, there's black. It comes with different types of colors combination, which you're gonna love them. It's something which is so epic from Baseus, so yeah. Okay, have you ever been in a headphones whereby you wanna hear the music having bass and you're waiting for it to pick up and it doesn't pick up? Well, these are like the one. Let me just... Okay, I know that this doesn't sound right whereby you can hear anything throughout the music, but trust me guys, on this one it's so epic. It's picking there. It's actually picking there. It's not quite bad for Baseus D01. It's such an amazing thing whereby Baseus just did it and they made it happen for that kind of ergonomic design which captured me. Looks like come from the future or something. It doesn't bore you, it doesn't flicking around. The only downside out of it is just that if you shake around playing this is what happens. It doesn't stick it there. So I think to my own kind of aspect, these are made for the people who they're using studio like me, editing that kind of amazing video, amazing vlog, whereby you just want something smooth. These are the good bad boys to grab them. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Abdulrahim13. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate that. And other kind of stuff, I'm rolling out amazing vlog. I hope you just like it. By the way, if you don't like it, you can just dislike it. I don't want to just do like a proposing or something. Disclaimer. Another kind of stuff which is so amazing is just that subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate on that. Peace.